Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. In this short video I'll be demonstrating how to set up and bind the RadioMaster TX16S to a Corona 2.4 GHz DSSS receiver. So I have multiple of these receivers that I got years ago. Here is a 4-channel one, it's called CR4D, and then I have a 6-channel one, CR6D, and in my old but trusty ParkZone T-28 Trojan, I have a 8-channel version, as you can see here. So I'm going to demonstrate it on this one, since it's already installed on an airplane. And I have several other airplanes which have Corona receivers. Years ago, I wanted to switch from FM to 2.4 GHz technology, dynamic spread spectrum, and I purchased this used old T9CHP Futaba radio, and then I purchased also inexpensively this Corona module on the back, CT8F, and then I started buying these receivers because they were very inexpensive at that time. So now I have multiple of those, and since I purchased this a couple months ago, the RadioMaster TX16S, I have been slowly moving all my planes from my two radios, DX Spectrum DX6i, and as well as the old Futaba. So let's get started. First I'm going to create a new model. Let's turn on the TX6S. Long press to the power button a couple seconds. Come on.
Welcome to Over TX.
So this is the home screen, and first thing, long pressed on this menu wheel will take us to this menu, and then press again model select, and then another long press, and then create model on top, and it's going to be an airplane, so select plane, click. Yes, my model has a motor and it's channel 3, so I'm going to use the next page button, page down button here. I have two ailerons but connected with Y adapters, so I'm going to press this one and go back, 1 or 2 with Y cable, click, and it's on channel 1, that's correct, so page down. I do not have flaps on this model, so no, page down. And my Trojan has 1 channel for elevator, 1 channel for rudder, and these are the correct channel numbers, so again, page down. And at the end, I press and say, select yes, all is well, create the plane. So return to exit, return, and here's the model. So if I go back, it's created model 18. Now to start making changes, long press to the model button. I'm just first going to change the name to the new model's name, ParkZone T-28 Trojan. So one press will be on the first letter. This again, it will move to the next one. Then I'm just going to add PZ for ParkZone, and it is lowercase. A long press to this button will turn it to uppercase and move to the next. So I'm going to continue and just fast forward this part. So I updated the model name. Now I have to get to the menu for activating the multi-protocol module. It's all the way down below, but instead of going down, I'm just going to go up, so it's going to skip to the end of the page. Internal RF mode, it's off right now. One click, and now it's the multi-protocol module is on. Then go to the next setting, and then press, go back to Corona, and in this case I looked it up. These Corona modules, which are DSSS, are version 2, so press that one, select version 2, and then come down to bind and just leave the cursor there. So now I have to get the receiver ready for binding. With these Corona receivers, you either need to be a monkey or you must have been born with 3 arms in order to be able to get this done without any help, or you need to improvise. So the reason is you need to connect the battery and power up this one while this little inset button is pressed. So, I don't have enough arms, so I'm just going to improvise. What I do is I'm just going to use this to press and then put pressure on it like this. So it's right now pressing, and my transmitter is ready, as you see in the bind, just waiting there. Let me get this to a better angle so you can actually see the light when it turns on over here. So there is an LED inside and it should blink twice once the binding is successful. So the start binding process, first what I have to do is click this wheel, and then the binding will start, and then very quickly connect the battery. So I'm just going to do that now. And I hope you have seen it, it just blinked twice. So I'm just going to unplug this, take this off so it's not in binding mode anymore, it's not pressing that little button anymore, and turn off the radio, the transmitter, because with these Corona receivers you have to connect the power to the receiver first. So you do this, and then you turn on your transmitter, and after it initializes, it takes a couple seconds. You will see the servos moving once it's bound, and now it is bound, as you can see. Let me take it back a little bit so you can see easily. Here's the radio, ailerons, elevator, rudder. Everything is working. So great, it's bound. And now what I'm going to do is just adjust and then put some rates, low, medium, high rates, and adjust the rest of the plane, and it will be ready to fly. Well, I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe and healthy. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.